What's up guys, Roy here, and once again welcome back to the Roy Boy universe. And it's true, it's a fact that it's going to happen and it's happening. Xiaomi's Mi Mix series has always pushed the boundaries of phone screens and form factor, from the original model that kicked off the bezel wars to last year's sliding notchless Mi Mix 3. Now, just as we are starting to see the waterfall display with extreme curved edges, Xiaomi is taking this to a wild new level with the new Mi Mix Alpha. The surround screen on the Alpha wraps entirely around the device to the point where it meets the camera module on the other side. The effect is of a phone that's almost completely made of screen, with status icon like network signal and battery charge level displayed on the side, pressure sensitive volume button, and are also shown on the side of the phone. Xiaomi is claiming more than 180% screen to body ratio, a stat that no longer makes any sense to cite at all. The Mi Mix Alpha uses Samsung's new 108 megapixel camera sensor, which was co-developed with the Xiaomi. As with other recent high-resolution Samsung sensor, pixels are combined into 2 into 2 squares for better light sensitivity in low light, which in this case will produce 27 megapixel images. We will have to see that works in practice, but the 1 by 1.33 inch sensor is usually large for a phone and should give the Mi Mix Alpha a lot of light gathering capability. There's also no need for a selfie camera, you just turn the phone around and use the rear portion of the camera as a viewfinder for the 108 megapixel shooter. As for the traditional specs of the phone, there's a Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 Plus chipset processor, 5G connectivity, 12 gigs of RAM and 512 GB of storage, along with 40 watt wide fast charging and a 4050 mAh battery. So the battery capacity is just 4050 mAh, whereas we are having surround screen. So I think the battery capacity would have been more, so it would be better. But the phone is also thin and thick. So the last spec would be perhaps suggest that Xiaomi doesn't imagine you having the whole screen turned on all the time, and that's right, 4050 mAh battery and the whole surround screen is on for all the time. Xiaomi describes the Mi Mix Alpha as the concept smartphone. It isn't going to be mass producing it anytime soon. The phone will go into a small scale production this year and go on sale on the December for 19,999 yuan, or about $2,800. In Indian price we can say it about 1,95 to 99,000. The original Mi Mix was also given the concept level and released in small quantities, with the Mi Mix 2 following a year later as more mainstream device. On one hand, the design poses obvious issues with cost, durability, battery life, accidental touch recognition, privacy, and so on. On the other hand, well, just look at it. So I will try my best, and it's not a fact or it's not official that it is going to be launched in India or not. But I would love to own a phone like this with the surround screen, waterfall display, and this amazing innovative design. So guys, that's all for today. Please like this video, along with any queries and comment should be dropped in the comment section. Please share this video and don't forget to subscribe while you leave and hit the bell icon for my notification. See you soon guys. Peace out.